Hello, everyone. Do you know that the animal world has another name, the magical world? Because animals have so many unimaginable things waiting to be discovered. Take this fish army, for example. It's difficult to distinguish between the rope and this combination. This two-headed turtle that seemed to come from the magical world couldn't easily decide which direction to go. First a long jumper, and then now a snow digger. Whatever the job, this squirrel did great. He made us realize that butts should also be served well. Watch the road closely if you don't want to miss the sight of these cord-like, hairy caterpillars crossing the street in the local park. We often think of rabbits as professional runners, but forget about their excellent swimming ability. The saying, "Unbelievable things are created by small creatures," should be for spiders that escape flooding and can spread spider webs everywhere like this. People are born with special abilities, like this monkish peacock spider with a beautiful dress and a sexy dance to flirt with her partner. When you are sleepy, but your father tells you to receive guests.
Decimating our entire ecosystem and disrupting the circle of life.
Not everyone has the opportunity to appear on TV, so this elephant has a gentle greeting that made him instantly famous. Looks like this fair needs popcorn and Pepsi for home theater. The Elegant Lady Award should be given to her. This moment gave us another definition of family. If you can't walk towards your loved one, then your loved one will gladly walk towards you. When it's work time, but you stayed up all night watching movies last night. An X-ray machine becomes unnecessary if the patient is a glass octopus with an almost transparent membrane. Every parent takes different measures to protect their child, and this chicken couple's way is to hide the child. Welcome to that sheep YouTuber's one-day monkey cosplay challenge. The coincidence of the snake's skin color and the background made it difficult for the enemy. But every frog can hire a snake to become their train in this dark night. Gen Y and Gen Z go on a picnic together. And the end. Nature's very gracious when she always prepares free water for this ant. An army of birds is formed when they know that favorite shops are offering up to 50% off. Save money on a car because you'll already have a pair of free brake pedals. It's hard to believe, but a golden apple snail can lay hundreds of eggs at a time. Looks like he's excited to show off his cape. Without a magnet, the shark suckers amazing stickiness because of the special ridges on the top of its head. Will failed the anomaly detection challenge in this video because of that mastery of makeup. What do you think of this adorable seal's friend request? The success of attracting those cows' attention proves that music is in anyone's soul. When your life difficulty is level 1, but you want to increase it to level 10, the electric bill of frogs is very cheap because they always have light available. There is a connection more magical than the internet. That is the connection between humans and animals. Fate has decided that things are born for each other. Boredom cannot appear in octopuses because they can change their colors continuously. The special thing about seahorses is that the males give birth because the female will put all the eggs in the male's brood bag when mating. We can feel her determination to take first place in the singing competition. The snail's bright gold can turn him into the ocean's walking version of the sun. That snake must be bored with underground houses. Today's video will close with a special friendship between humans and animals. Vote for the most impressive moment for you, and have a nice day.